So we have some unique gating technology. Over the years we have developed, working with our R&D group and customers, we have developed certain unique gating methods which will allow customers driving through the sustainability by reducing color change and waste. It helps them to accomplish that. And also our unique technology, the way we manufacture our nozzles, that also help customers to reduce their overall energy consumption and sustainability. So the controller technology over the years also, from a natural temperature controller, it has evolved into doing multiple things. So MoldMasters was the first to introduce so many things on the controller, such as water flow monitoring, so many features on that. Specifically on the new controller that we introduced, one thing that we have done is eliminating the waste on the cables, coppers, etc. What we do is, by eliminating the clutter or number of cables, it will help the molder, because there is no more clutter on the floor. We are reducing the overall consumption of plastic, overall consumption of copper. It is good for environment and sustainability. It also helps customers to assemble and disassemble quickly, so that overall downtime when the mold change is happening or during repair is much reduced. So that time energy is consumed because you are reducing your time. That is helpful. One of the new and great development and innovation in our controls development is multi-axis. So typically a mold maker or a molder, when it is a two-shot application or a shuttle mold or rotary mold, typically it is done with a mechanical motion. That mechanical motion can be controlled with our motion control, connected with our temperature control. So like I said, the temperature controller has evolved a lot, so we can have so much features on that. Again, customers, instead of having multiple controllers, one for their motion on the mold, not on the hot runner, one for their temperature, they can combine everything together into one unit, and one HMI can be controlling everything together. That's why we are able to accomplish. The new thermal gate on the single stage PET is, again, we have combined some of our technologies, because basically it's fit for purpose. Sometimes you don't need the extra engineering going through our component, because as MoldMasters have a wide variety of products, but what we have up here is a thermal gate which is exactly fitting for that market that is needed. It is going to reduce energy consumption. We have combined our manifold technology. It also combined our overall plate technology on that, so we can help customers avoid, instead of building the whole manifolds and the plate together, we have combined everything into one unit, which helps them customer to reduce their stack height, overall energy consumption, and replaceability in the field. In case if there is reducing the waste of molding with our technology put together, the scrap also is reduced considerably with this technology. The technology which has been proven and which we have mastered for 30 years is our bracing technology. Because bracing technology is something we integrate the heater element into the core of the steel, whether it is the manifold, nozzle, 90% of the heated component when needed. Okay, we have technology where you don't need braced components, but when needed, we can brace the component, the heater element into the component, which increase the longevity, which helps the customer to reduce energy, which helps the customer to reduce scrap, and overall their process efficiency. Though that itself is a sustainability message, and over the years, customers have had the fruits of that, the benefits of that for 30 years. And MoldMasters have improvised every year. We do a little bit of continuous improvement on that, how we can make it better by newer technology of bracing, newer technology of manufacturing on that. That is a proven solid technology. We have it, I mentioned about bracing. We do a lot of multi-material, multi-color applications. So MoldMasters over the years developed a brand new product about 10 years ago called E-Multi, which is basically an auxiliary injection unit. So that helps small to mid mold makers and molders going from a single color application or single material applications to multi-color or multi-material. So we have developed that, sold over 1,000 units in the world for about 8 to 9 years. But we have developed a brand new something we call E-Mini, E-Multi Mini, which will help customers to go into a smaller market. which can mold, or can help customers to mold such a small part weight. Again, this also has a sustainability message. You don't have to use a bigger machine, bigger energy, and reduce waste by using a smaller e-multi. That has got the maximum attention at this show. So this is a co-injection part. We have 46% post-consumer regrind or recycled material on that. We can go up to 50%, but for various reasons we have done 46% on that. This will again, it's completely reground material that has been used here. It will help the environment for sustainability and regrind on that. And this is running on our 2-cavity mold here. This has been running continuously for the last 3 days.